In this video, I am going to show you how to add another account on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on menu, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to scroll down towards the end and tap on logout. Again, tap on logout. Once you do that, you will log out of your account. So now, if you want to add another Facebook account, you have to tap on use another profile. Now, simply enter the email or phone number of that account along with its password. Then you have to tap on login. Once you tap on login, you will be able to log in to that another account of yours. So now you will be able to easily add another account on Facebook. So if you want to switch your accounts now, you have to again tap on the menu, then again scroll down and log out from this account again. Now you will see both of your accounts on your Facebook main interface. So you can very easily switch between accounts whenever you want. So everyone, that is how you can add another account on your Facebook application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.